Good morning, students. You are welcomed to Kailash English Environment. In our last episode, we discussed the first two paragraphs of the poem, All Things Bright and Beautiful. Today, we shall discuss the remaining part of the poem. First, listen the lyric of the last four stanzas.
The purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the cool wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden, he made them everyone. The tall trees in the green wood, the meadows where we play, the rushes by the water to gather every day. He gave us eyes to see them and lips that we might tell how great is God Almighty, who has made all things well.
Now come to the third stanza. In this stanza, the poet wants to say that the all-merciful God has created the bluish red mountaintop with the river flowing beside it. When the red rays of the setting sun from the horizon touches the top of the mountain, it looks purple. God has also created the glowing sunset in the west sky and the bright sunrise in the morning that brightens the sky. Now come to the fourth stanza. God has created the cold wind in winter and the enjoyable summer sun. As the poet belongs to Ireland, which is a cold country, he has the experience of only two seasons. In his country, cold is very painful and summer is very pleasant. According to the poet, God has blessed us ripe fruits in the garden. In the fifth stanza, the poet says that tall trees in the green wood are also the important blessing of God for us. The Almighty has created the green meadows for us where we play. God has created rushes, that is a type of waterside plant that people collect every day to make mats and baskets. In the last stanza, the poet becomes very spiritual. According to her, God has created all things and beautiful things for human being only. At the same time, He has given us eyes to enjoy His creation. In return, God only wants a little praise from us. So, He has given us lips so that we can say at least how great God Almighty is. Now students, let us now discuss some important questions from this fourth stanza. First of all, what does the mountain look like at sunset? The answer is purple-headed. But if the question is, what does the top of the mountain look like at sunset? The answer will be only purple. Now the second question. What makes the mountain top appear purple? The answer is the rays of the setting sun. Now the third question. What is running by the mountain? The answer is the river. Let's move to the fourth question. What brightens up the sky? The answer is the sunset and the morning. Now come to the next question. How many seasons are described in the poem? Is the answer 2. Next question. What are the seasons that the poet mentions in the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful? The answer is winter and summer. The next question. In which season does the cold wind blow? The answer is very easy, that is in winter season. The next question. How is the summer sun described in the poem? It is also easy question. The answer is pleasant. The next question. Where do we find ripe fruits? The answer is in the garden. Next. What has God filled the garden with? The answer is ripe fruits. Next question. What do we enjoy in the greenwood? The answer is tall trees. Next. Where do we play every day? The answer is in the meadow. The next question. What do you mean by meadow? The answer is an open area of grassland. The next question. Where do rushes grow? The answer is by the water. The next question. What are the rushes used for? The answer is for making mats and baskets. Next question. Why has God given us eyes? The answer is to enjoy His creation. Next. Why has God given us lips? The answer is to praise the Almighty, or to say how great God Almighty is. Now the last question. How is God described in the poem? The answer is Almighty. So students, in this way we have completed the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful. Watch the video again and again. It will be helpful for the examination. In the next episode, I will come with a new topic. Till then, goodbye. Stay blessed.